you can spark hope for others. Now through June 30th, lighten the load of neighbors in crisis with a gift of $10 or more to the Lend a Hand Up Summer Boost campaign. All gifts will be distributed to boost help for local families, and the first 100 donors will receive a gift card to Starr Fireworks. Learn more and give to the Summer Boost at lendahandup.org.
Lend a hand, lend a hand up.
Lend a Hand Up is community powered and guided by Dakota Medical Foundation.